Hi guys, this is going to be the meat for our dinner tonight. For our soup number 3, short rib. So hopefully this is not very tough. So what I'm going to do is boil it for a long time until it is tender. So let us boil our short rib. And I'm going to put beef bouillon powder, salt and pepper. And we are going to wait until it's really tender. And I'm also going to put some of these guys. These are leeks, and for leeks you have to make sure you clean it really good, because there's like sand or soil inside. You see that? So we need to make sure that we really clean it. Look at that. Look how dirty. So if you don't wash it really good, this is going to go to your soup. I don't put this part because it's really hard. Cabbage. And parsley. Bay leaves and Sotanghon. Those are the ingredients for our beef soup. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Wings Life here. For today's video, it will be soup number 3. Soup number 3 already, guys. OMG. So a while ago, I showed you guys the meat that we are going to use for our soup number 3, and it is short ribs. And oh my goodness, I've been boiling it for probably 2.5 hours already. 2.5 to 3 hours already, and it's still it's already a little soft or a little tender, but it's not the tender that I wanted. So I'm going to see and boil it for a few more minutes. So hopefully it will be the tender that I wanted before dinner. Otherwise, I'm eating spam. So, but anyway, yeah, it's a little tender, but I wanted the falling apart tender. But anyway guys, that's what I get if I don't use pressure cooker. I do not like using pressure cooker. I don't know why. For me, it doesn't taste as good when you boil it slowly. So, but anyway, I already showed you guys our ingredients. So guys, I don't need to put onions because this green thingy here leeks. Leeks, I think is the name of this veggie, and it's already smell like onion and it kind of tastes like onion, so I don't need to put onion because I have a lot of these. I'm putting a lot of that, and I also soak the Sotanghon, but I'm not cutting it, so it's easy to grab when it's long strands. And right now I am going to put fish sauce. You can use any kind of fish sauce, but this is the Filipino fish sauce. But I already put salt and pepper and the beef bouillon powder. And I'm going to go ahead and put our bay leaves. And I'm also going to add 1 more cup of water just to be sure that our short rib is very, very tender. See how it's tender already? But I want it falling apart tender. And I'm also going to put the leeks now, the one that is really green. I'll put this one later on because this one's softer. Because that would give like a onion flavor to our soup. And time to put the parsley, guys. A lot of parsley. Parsley is good for you anyway. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of the leeks and the cabbage. That looks so good. Then we'll put the sotanghon when the cabbage are done. Almost done. Not done. Almost done. And I think the cabbage is done, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put the sotanghon noodles. And that's it, guys. It is done already. So guys, let us scoop the soup. scoop the soup. It looks like I needed to put more water. Look like the noodles, sotanghon noodles, absorb some of the soup, some of the liquid, or the broth, however you call that, soup, broth, liquid. Look at that. I don't just use this for flavoring, guys. I eat that part too. Then we'll put our beef short ribs this side. Look at the fat. at all that goodies. Veggies, veggies, veggies. And a little bit of noodles. And soup number 3. Beef short ribs with veggies and noodles. Can't wait to have some soup. Here's our soup number 3, guys. Soup number 3. Eating time. Very, very hot. Time to slurp the hot soup. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's very flavorful. Add a little bit more water because it's too rich. Oh my. I wanna see how tender the beef by just using my hands. Look at that. That's how I want it. Very tender. Oh my. Yes, that's how I want it. The beef is very, very what they call that, rich flavor, really good flavor because I slow cook it or slow boil it. Cabbage is really good. It has a little sweet flavor to it. This is a good cabbage. There's some cabbage sometimes, guys, I don't like the flavor of it. I don't know why. I guess even they're all the same cabbage, they have different flavor. This one is just a little sweeter. And then let's try this is the leeks. So let's try this one. So see, the dark green part is a lot harder than the yellow part. That's why I didn't put the yellow part right away because I don't want it to fall apart. So comment down below, guys, if you know this vegetable and how you cook it. For me, I just cook it in like this soupy dish. I call it soupy dish. And like nilaga and what else? Like anything with a lot of broth. And the noodles. Really long noodles. Well, not long anymore. More soup. Oh my gosh, the soup is so good. Oh my goodness, I want to sit down and enjoy my soup, guys. Look at that. So good. Anyway, guys, guys, this is our soup number 3. So please give me suggestion of what kind of soup I can create for you or for me for me to taste. What is your favorite soup, guys? Comment down below what is your favorite soup. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you again next time on our 4th soup. Bye for now. Happy eating. Thank you for watching soup number 4.